Hey guys, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Now, I get asked a lot of questions about working out and exercising and how to make muscles bigger and stronger and so forth. And today I want to reply back to a question from someone who asked something very similar, but about a different type of muscle. And the question he asked was, are there any exercises that I can do that will help improve blood flow to my penis and make it stronger so it will stay hard longer? Unfortunately, I suffer from some erectile problems. Sometimes I can't even get hard, and other times I can't stay erect long enough to satisfy my wife, and it's really starting to make me depressed and cause problems in my relationship. I don't want to take any drugs. I just want to do it naturally. Any suggestions, Dr. Sam? And to answer your question, yes, there are, and I don't want you to feel like you're alone because this is actually fairly normal in a lot of guys. And there are exercises that you can do that will improve your erections and actually help prevent erectile dysfunction. Now, even though this may sound weird or impossible or not likely to many people, there are thousands of people who have gotten great results. And it even works for women to help enhance an orgasm. While in men, it does both, improve erection strength and enhance your orgasm. Please keep in mind that almost everything in the body requires a muscle to make it function correctly. Your body moves and is held together by muscles. Your eyes, your mouth, your breathing, and so forth are all done because of muscles. Even your hearing is partly dependent on muscles inside the ear canal. And of course, your heart is a muscle, and so is your penis. Yes, some people say, no, it's only an organ, just like the heart, but it's also up to 50% smooth muscle. In fact, there are even specific exercises that you can do that can make your penis bigger in both length and girth. And I will be releasing a multi-part video series about this topic in a few weeks because I honestly get asked about this topic almost every single week. And there will be proven ways that you can make your penis bigger. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure you're subscribed to this channel and then click on that bell icon so you'll be notified once the videos are available and released so you don't miss out. Anyway, getting back to today's topic, there's actually one great exercise that you can do right now, anywhere, anytime, any place, and it requires no equipment at all, which will for sure help improve your erections and help prevent erectile dysfunction, and for both men and women, and also improve your orgasms. And it's a video I created before a little while ago, and it's super popular because it's very effective and it works. And it's called the #1 exercise for preventing erectile dysfunction and improving your performance in the bedroom. And you can watch that video right now on YouTube. Just click the link below in the description area right now and go ahead and watch it. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a happy and healthy day.